There's a big crisis in Kenyan law firms. Most of them can't keep talent, or they're really struggling in terms of retaining the talent that are within the organization or within the firm. Young lawyers are leaving firms every other day because they're feeling overworked with little to no recognition. You do a lot of things, you do a lot of work, you really keep the firm growing and going, but with very little recognition. Young lawyers burn the midnight oil on files only to get a quick, good job, and that's it. Nothing more to it. Some lawyers are paid less than a corporate intern, but they're expected to live like a lawyer. Have a fancy car, have a fancy suit, have nice shoes, and all these things that are equated to being lawyerly or living like a lawyer. And the culture in some firms is just toxic. Silence is deemed as loyalty, and questioning is deemed as betrayal. You can't question anything in some of these law firms. You're expected to keep quiet and take it all in. If you question anything, you're deemed as if you're not loyal to the firm, and partners start looking at you sideways. Most law firms provide no sort of mentorship, there's no growth path, and there are absolutely no bonuses. Most of the times it's just empty promises and empty rhetoric. We'll do something which never materializes. Frustration always ends up building up, and good people, good talent always end up leaving such firms. The firms that keep talent, good people do it differently. They pay fairly, they mentor, and they recognize the good effort or the good work that the young lawyers are doing, or the immense value that the young lawyers are bringing to the firm. And the lawyers are just given room to breathe. No one is breathing down your neck, demanding things, demanding that. Lawyers in those firms stay not because it's easy. It's not easy being a lawyer. The work can be quite demanding, but they stay because at least they feel heard, they feel recognized, and they feel treated like a human being, not just a cog within the organization or within the firm. If your juniors look at you and they're not inspired, something needs to change. If associates keep on coming and going at your firm, that's a major red flag to anyone who might think of joining that particular firm. Because obviously you'll ask yourself, why are people joining and leaving this firm at will? Seems like a revolving door. Big red flag. Former associates are your best brand ambassadors. They can either make you or break you. So always treat your associates well. You never know. Firm owners, partners, treat your associates well. Our profession is very small. They interact with clients. They will interact probably with your potential former future employees who might be really talented and might want to join the firm. They might seek an opinion from a former associate, and if the review is bad, obviously you're not going to land that particular talent, that particular employee, or you might miss out on a client because of how you are treating your former associates. So yes, your former associates can either make you or break you.